I made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Slide on closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your love. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you?
Hello guys, hello people. Happy Christmas in advance. This is so sad. We're in quarantine right now. We cannot go outside. All the family is inside, and this is so sad. Like, guys, they started bringing food for us because someone have a corona here, and it's crazy. This is gas water. We don't drink it. Me and my husband don't drink this, and they bring some food for us. So we are just inside. We cannot go out. When you do so, you're gonna have yourself to blame. So let me show you guys what they bring for us. So guys, this is how they give us food now. Can you see that? This is our food they bring for us, so we can't go out. Anything they bring, we must eat. So this is how they spoil our Christmas for us. But it's not spoiled anyway. Just now to go to the supermarket. They said no, even we have security outside. Let me go and show you guys. Only these people that live here now, here, they have corona. So I can't even go down. My people, like, it's crazy. Look, this is our door. I hope many of you already know here already. So this is the food they bring for us. Whenever they want to bring something for us, they keep it here. So we can't go out. If not, you have yourself to blame, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy, but the food is outside there, you see. So I shut my door. I'm going to take it later. That's what we're in, and Jesus Christ. So guys, I wanted to show you guys people that guide us right now. We cannot go out. Nothing, so we just need to stay indoors. When you are being caught, no, I'm not showing it yet. I'm showing us yet now. When we get caught outside, you know how it is. This is corona they're talking about. So guys, and with everything we prepared, we are ready to go. We still have to do some shopping. We are not done yet for the kids. We are not done yet, but it's unfortunate. I was at home. Police came, everybody, like, the house was. I said, what is, I keep asking, what is going on? And they said, no, before you know, they went and bring our children from school. I was at home, our kids arrived with taxi. I said, who bring you guys? They said they bring us from school. I said, did you ask them what is going on? They said, Kevin said, I asked, but they didn't say anything to me. They said we should come back home. And that's it. I asked them, and they said, yes, corona is up here. So these people here, they have corona, and for that reason, you guys cannot come out. And my husband was not at home. Before you know, they call him in, and he come back home. This is how we are in now. So we cannot come outside, not even supermarket. We don't have Africa food, which I suppose tomorrow we are supposed to go to Musta again, me and my husband.
Which I mean, when I was coming I could have went to the supermarket to buy something.
When my husband was coming, he know he can't come out again, he'd have buy something. We have prepared for this Christmas so far. Like, we want to do it like never before because of the kids. So as you can see, we have security man guarding us. Let me show you guys. We're in right now. It's so sad. I don't know until when, I don't know, but it hurts me so much that we have a lot of surprise for these kids that we still need to do. We were supposed to buy their cards. They need a card, and we were supposed to surprise them tomorrow morning. My husband's supposed to, tomorrow evening by 4 something, my husband's supposed to go and buy that cat house and everything. So that cat you guys saw when we went and got our kids, they like the cat and they want to have it. So we tell them it's not possible, but then we wanted to do it for them surprise, okay, as a gift, you know. So now we can't just go out. Like we can't go, we can't do nothing. And we still need a gift for Becca and Mervin. Both of them. Only Kevin and Greta, they're the one that have gift right now for now. But we hide them, okay, for them not to see it. So me, I also supposed to go out for shopping for myself. I haven't made shopping for myself. And honey as well. I have to buy gift for my husband. I haven't bought like nothing. So it's so sad that they have to give us this news. And yeah, we are inside right now. I can't even eat, guys. Like I can't eat. So what we need is just prayer. But then only God knows. As for me, I know this is a hand of this coronavirus is from the devil. Yeah. They are the evil ones, all those whatever call. But God passed them, Nabi. God is more than them. So we are in our house, this greater room, guys. So we are here. Thank you all, guys. We'll carry you guys along. So let me go and see what they bring for us. Let me open them and see. So we asked them how we're gonna, we have money, we want to make shopping. Can we have normal water? Because we don't drink gas water. Only the kids that drink gas water. Me and my husband drink normal water. They say we can't get anyone, and when we get caught outside, government pay for this security. Police have been coming in, going. So this is how we get stuck, guys. This today date is what? Today date is what? 17. Today date is 17th of December. Today date is 17, guys, and 17. And we are here. Voila. So honey want to bring the food inside. This is how we are. Like, it's crazy, guys. And we asked them, when are we going to be free? And they are not saying anything. They will bring this
free for the kingdom.
Things for the kids. You see, guys.
Wallah.
They bring this tissue. So this is what they bring for us now. Guys, it's crazy, right? So you just need to pray for us and pray. We need your prayers. Okay, family, we are always strong, unique. God always make everything possible easy for us, and this one is still gonna be easy, guys. Okay, so we love you all. This is how we get what we eat now. What's all this? And those things are what my husband don't even like. My husband don't eat those things. We do our shopping ourselves. So they said, according to usually the government, the country, I don't know who control Corona or whatever.
I told them I want to go out shopping. They said if I go out, it's not a problem to me.
Yeah, to the family.
Why?
Fucked up. Like
for real.
They can't just, like, with all the projects, with everything of this Christmas. We want, like, it's not possible, guys. Just pray, like, pray that this thing go far. Like they said, they're gonna bring doctor to test us. Me, I have tested twice, coronavirus twice, right? I will show you guys the results again. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my result twice. When I was sick, since how many weeks, you guys, I haven't come to live video. Yeah, I were busy doing audio. Yeah. So you know, but I wasn't fine. I have fever. And 2 times they do test and I tested negative. So now this shocking that some people test positive here, and now they need to lock everybody, guys. Like, it's crazy. It's really crazy. So guys, we're gonna give you guys updates how things go. We know it's gonna go well. Not that we hope it go well. It's gonna go well. But it's just kind of disappointing that we cannot get all we really want to get for these kids. We really want to make that massive surprise. We told them we are not going to buy their cats. We don't bring animal to this house. But that's not true. We wanted to give them at least 2 and surprise them with it. We know they will be the most happiest kids on earth. But how is that going to be possible now? I don't know. So let's keep hoping. 25 is still a little bit far, right? 24, sorry guys. 25 is gift day.
Next week.
So let's see how it goes. We have been warned not to go out. I hope you guys know how it is. Government don't play with that here. But mostly my husband don't eat all those foods. So it's sickly, guys. Yeah, thank you all guys so much. So we'll thank you guys.
Coronavirus sharded.
It's crazy. It's crazy, guys.
Sharded.
So
song music, Italian man song.
Don't use the word. Don't use this F word on it.
F word.
That's F word.
You know, you're supposed to say we wish you have many people, but it turned it to start insulting coronavirus because coronavirus came to destroy the full earth.
You guys saw the video we make about feasting our Christmas tree. That's just the beginning. Like, it's just feasting. So, and we have more to do. So it's really disappointing, believe me. That we are quarantined this time. This time. Wow.
Somehow, guys,
just I did not sit. I got down immediately. Look at my eyes, it's inside already. Like, you can't do me this, you can't do this to me. So it's really crazy. The kids are even saying, what is going on? Police everywhere, security everywhere. What is going on, mommy? I'm like,
guys.
So thank you guys so much. We'll give you more updates and we pray everything go well. Okay, guys, love you, stay blessed. Let me unbox this load here. So look at it. We have this here. It's really unfortunate that it happened this way. We cannot go nowhere anymore. Nowhere. I don't know. What is this on? Shampoo. I don't know. So this one should be shampoo. And then put this here, guys. Look at it. You are not so here. So bless you, darling Beckham. So this thing happened like this. So there will be the one to be bringing everything for us here. Yeah, they will be the one bringing them. They will drop it in our domot and they will go and take it. Okay, guys. So at least they are doing their best, all they can. We can't go to supermarket. We can't even come out outside. Like, so as I speak to you now, we have security that surround our house. So they are here. They sleep here. They do exchange here. So guys, it has happened. Yeah, we need to stay. God will help us. God will help us all. So we need to abide to the rule of the government, of the law of the land. We need to, no matter who you are, this is how you need to live when it happened. So look at this. They tried, at least they bring what they have. We cannot go out. We have to be here like this, as you can see. So, but you see that people, we want to carry you guys along with how we go with this quarantine that we have. The quarantine, so those are the things they bring. So all the kids now, the kids supposed to stop school on Friday, so they can't do it like that because no way. Yeah. So guys, those are the things we have. Look at this thing, and they try it anyway. Yeah, this is just for today because it was urgent. It was urgent. We were not expecting this. If not, my husband went out. He was not at home before they called him to come back home immediately. I was really shocked the way police was all over. We came and they went and bring the kids from the school. I was like asking what is going on, but then later they let us know, go, you guys are going inside, no coming out because people around you have corona. And so the same way we are serving you like this, the same way we'll be serving them. So this is the law. Be you a German, be you Ethiopia, be you a Nigeria, be you anybody, this is how it happened when they find out cases like this. So this is how it happened. Okay, you just need to stay indoors. We and the kids, even the kids are not going out. We are not going out. Somebody's going. So as I speak to you now, guys, security, they are still there in our door. They stay there 24 hours. Like, it's really it's crazy the way it is. So it's so hot that painful that we need to still get some things. We need to still get some things. We can't get it right now. Christmas, oh my god. It's okay then, it's okay. So guys, let me leave you guys. Thank you for being here. So yeah, we are here with God. All things are possible. So we know we are covered in the blood of Jesus. Yeah, God always make everything simple for His children, right? So that is life. It's what you never expect. We never, like this morning I wake up and I have appointment. I went there, came back 3 o'clock. I was supposed to go back to my appointment by 3 o'clock again. I was there by 10 o'clock this morning. I can show you guys this receipt of the appointment of a dentist. So just to wash teeth, you know, once in a year you brush your teeth. So and then I was there. Then later coming back home, nobody was at home. I was alone. Before you know, my phone started ringing. Like, what is going on? They're like, okay, where is your husband? I said, he's not at home. Where are the keys? Don't worry, we're going to take care of the kids. I'm like, what is going on? Like, no, we are dying of your husband. Don't come outside. I said, I should not come out. What is going on? They're like, yeah, corona is in your building. And it's everywhere. Like, corona in our building. How? That's how. So before I know, taxi went to the school and picked the keys. And they bring them home. I was at home, they bring the keys. And my husband came back. That was how we were. Like, we are here now. So we don't even dare to break the rule. Like, nobody break the rule. So you just need to maintain the rule. Be you who you are. It happened to Germans themselves. This is how they say with the servers. They say with the serve that you cannot eat what you like, because they can't go and buy you what you like. And you can't even give them money, because we don't even talk to each other. I mean, they drop the things there and we go there to pick it. Okay, so that's it. They share it. They share our own and the other people own. So it's just like, manage what you see, but they will assure you you're not going to die of hunger. That is for sure. Yeah, they're going to bring something for you guys to eat before things get better. Okay, so love you all, guys. Stay blessed. Okay, family, love you all. Stay blessed, and then till we come your way, wait for the next vlog. We're going to carry you guys around because it's going to be bored. We are going to be at home doing nothing. Daddy, children, love us. So we're going to be seeing often. So see you guys in our next video. Bye. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.
I made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Slide on closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your love. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights.